All right, so splicing comes up every holiday season. We have several kits, and let's run through them really quick to see. So Samson is got a splicing kit here, 1/4 inch through 1/2 inch fids with a pusher. This is a great entry level, about $45 range. We sell a ton of those. If you're willing to step it up, Yale has some really nice anodized fids. Again, 1/4 inch to 9/16. Also a Swedish fid in there. Nice kit. If you want to step it up from that, we have the Yale Pro Splicer kit. Now this is going to have everything with the compact kit, but it's going to go all the way up to a 1 inch fid. And just for reference, here is your 1/4 inch fid. We sell a ton of these kits because people like to give them as gifts or have downtime in the winter and want to learn something. We are also going to do the splicing manual as well, which is going to help that. These are for double braid and hollow braid ropes, okay? Thanks.